Hello viewers, today, we'll show you how to print a stock analysis by document report using SQL accounting software. The stock analysis by document report is used to view your stock movement quantity for each document type like invoice, cash sales, purchase invoice, and more. Here's the scenario. You want to know how much stock has moved for each document type to track which sales, purchase, or stock documents are affecting your stock levels. Let's begin. First, select the date. Next, you can filter your stock month end by stock group, item, and location. Then, click Apply. Choose the appropriate report format and click Preview. You can now print out the stock analysis by document report. If you want to print a stock movement summary report, you'll need to select a 3-level sorting. Choose the appropriate report format and click Preview. You can now print out the stock movement summary report. And that's it. We've successfully completed the stock analysis by document report. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos. Follow us on Facebook to stay updated. Visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.